Hi, this video is about how to add a shopping cart to your panorama. Let's say this is the furniture I'm selling. You may upload your own products from 3D Max or SketchUp. You're gonna need to prepare these three things before you proceed. Number 1, the panorama that consists this furniture. 2, the link to purchase the furniture. 3, the image of the furniture. Alright, once you're ready, you can go into Panorama Editor, Open Editor. Then click on Product Tags, create Product Tags. Click Select Image to upload the image of the furniture. Then input a name for this tag. Copy and paste the link address. Input the product description and click Confirm. Now you have the shopping cart. Let's save and preview. You can drag the shopping cart to reposition. When you click on the shopping cart, you can see the product info and click on Buy. You will be directed to the website. To modify the tag, just go back to Panorama Editor, click the Edit button beside the tag. Let's say I change the name and the product info now. So the name I put Click to Buy and Confirm. Save and preview. So here it is. Okay, one thing to note is that if you leave the product info empty, the shopping cart will become a link icon, but you will still be directed to the web page. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you.